runs every morning. She runs every morning. They build house. They build house. He writes in his journal daily. He writes in journal daily. The dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. She paints beautiful landscape. She paints beautiful landscapes. He reads a book before bed. He reads a book before bed. They climb mountain for fun. They climb mountain for fun. She cooks delicious meals. She cooks delicious meals. He drives to work every day. He drives to work every day. They plant trees in their garden. They plant trees in their garden. He teaches math at the school. She teaches math at the school. He fixed the car himself. He fixed the car himself. They clean the house on weekends. They clean house on weekends. She dances gracefully. She dances gracefully. He sings in the chore. He sings in the chore. They swim in the lake. They swim in the lake. She draws portraits of her friends. She draws portraits of her friends. He plays the guitar. He plays the guitar. They travel to new places often. They travel to new places often. She gardens in her free time. She gardens in her free time. He paints the fence. He paints the fence. They run a marathon every year. They run a marathon every year. She sews her own clothes. She swings her own clothes. He skates at the rink. He skates at the rink. They bike around the city. They bike around the city. She writes letter to her family. She writes letter to her family. He repairs the old radio. He repairs the old radio. They explore new hiking trails. They explore new hiking trails. He fishes at the lake on weekends. He fishes at the lake on weekends. I'll buy you a book. I'll buy you a book. I was about the bath when she came. I was about bath when the came. She is going to ride a bicycle. She is going to ride a bicycle. I will climb on this wall. I will climb on this wall. I am not interested to talk with her. I am not interested to talk with her. I was about to kiss my baby, but he ran away. She snorts very badly. Amy was going to wash her clothes. He wanted to play cricket. She wanted to hug me, but her mother came. She cooks food for me. She cooks food for me. Adam will write a letter to her father. I can wait for you. I can wait for you. They dig her grave. They dig her grave. I want to eat a burger. I want to eat a burger. The baby crawls to the door. The baby crawls to the door. I don't want to fight with her. I don't want to fight with her. The baby will cry for this toy. The baby will cry for this toy. The smell of the waste is very teasing. The smell of the waste is very teasing. She does not like to drink beer. She does not like to drink beer. I will jump into the well. I will jump into the well.